In front of me is our Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this Android. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Following that, get this app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, select while using and allow in all pop-ups. So while using the app, allow. Then go into Devices settings. In them, scroll down to access Apps section. Click on Default Apps and tap on Home App. Lastly, to apply iOS Launcher, just click on it. Then tap on OK in the pop-up and select Correct. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Honor. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going into the same settings and choosing Honor app or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!